Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your e-commerce site with BigCommerce. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your e-commerce site with BigCommerce, start by logging into your BigCommerce dashboard. Navigate to the Account Settings section. Click on Security. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Next, use strong, unique passwords for all user accounts associated with your site. Regularly update those passwords to further secure your site. Move on to ensure that your site uses HTTPS. Check if an SSL certificate is installed on your domain. If not, BigCommerce provides an option to enable SSL directly from the dashboard. Next, review your payment processing settings. Ensure that you are using a secure payment gateway. Look for options like tokenization to protect sensitive customer information. Now, familiarize yourself with BigCommerce's built-in security features. Take advantage of features like fraud detection and prevention tools. Set up alerts for unusual account activity to stay informed. Regularly back up your store data. BigCommerce typically handles backups, but consider exporting your data manually as an extra precaution. Continue by monitoring user roles and permissions. Limit access to sensitive areas based on roles. Make sure that only trusted team members can access critical data. Finally, stay informed about the latest security updates from BigCommerce. Regularly check the BigCommerce blog or resource center for information on security best practices. Implementing these steps will significantly enhance the security of your e-commerce site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.